The Sirius TraceR ReAKT Pack is a premium light set. It has a high-powered and compact front light, combined with an intelligent and lightweight rear light. If you're in the market for a front and rear light combination for both road rides and just daily commutes, look no further than the Sirius Mk8 and TraceR Mk2 package. So firstly, I'd like to talk about the ReAKT, or the Ambient Kinetic Technology. Found in the rear tracer light, it enables the light to automatically flare under braking. What's also interesting is that when entering areas of higher ambient light, the tracer changes brightness to create a contrast that helps you stay visible. The tracer light with a 75 lumen beam comes in a nifty little alloy package with a toolless attachment system. You have a choice between the normal and constant flash mode, and now a new day bright pulse mode that Exposure has developed to provide better visibility during the daytime. On full brightness, I can get 4 hours of use out of the tracer. I can extend this to 36 hours on the lowest flashing mode. On the front, we have the Beefier series. Coming with 750 lumens, it's more than enough to be seen and puts out enough light to see on those unlit paths. Full brightness gets about 2 hours of shine. Chuck the light in a slightly less bright mode and you can extend this to up to 36 hours on the lowest brightness. So what's my final verdict? Well, I loved it. Coming for Exposure, you get all those features with the various run times and modes. I love how this package is really well made, with metal construction that is much more pleasing than plastic units. So, if you're looking to get into night riding, or just looking to upgrade your current setup, you're not going to find much better quality than Exposure's lights. If you want to check out the full range, head to pushys.com.au. And if you have any questions or want to see us do a certain review, make sure you put it down in the comments below.